There's another one right on our palm tree. Well, there he is. He's peeking. He's looking at us like, hello?
I think I just saw another one flew.
No, that was a different bird. But look at this guy. He's looking at us. Look at him. He's peeking at us. Go over there and get him, Kaipi. Go get him. Say hi, woodpecker. Go over there with him. Go nice and easy and call to the woodpecker. Go over there and call to the woodpecker. There he is. Say hi to the woodpecker. Yep, he's a little bit shy. Yeah, he's a little bit shy. Keep going around that side. Oh, there he goes. Now there's two of them. Hi, woodpeckers. That's great, isn't it? Okay.